So check out this cool 1989 Malcom Smith mountain bike that I picked up. Off-road equipped racing. So I was searching on the internet and it looks like that front suspension fork was not original. Looks like it's supposed to come with a straight blade fork. This cool suspension seat post. I've never seen something like that. I can't read that, but it's got the Shimano dealer derailleur, triple chain rings in the front. It looks like it's missing some sort of pulley right here for the front brakes. Well, since they switched out to a suspension fork with this, I guess they took that off, but that's kind of interesting. Got some thummies, SLR brake levers. It had some Araya RM20 wheels. The guy kept them, LX hubs. These are some old rims that I had, LX hubs. I don't know what outer hoop that is, but looks pretty cool. 19-inch frame. I think it's going to be kind of cool when once I rebuild it. Yeah, it's March 2021. So here's the MS Racing Malcom Smith 19-inch mountain bike frame, all stripped down. The specialized for that thing is I'm not even gonna bother trying to repair that. Probably put a rigid on here. 1-inch steer tube, head tube. 19-inch frame. 10-inch tubing. See how I end up building it up.